What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can make some quick money. You know, I know how to work the wrist. I'm gonna show y'all how to make the real Tina candles. Let me see if y'all can see. I already made one for y'all. For this I came in my apartment. I have like this little bad smell to it, but I knocked it out the way with that. But I got these fragrance. Okay, so I'm not gonna be using these fragrance for the candles that I'm selling, and I'm gonna show y'all. These are my example, and I might get this candle away and I might just use it from my house. But I got this from Candle Science. They got some real good fragrance and their prices are the bomb. I'm not sure what everybody use. I use the measuring cups or nothing. I just go straight scratch. So I'm showing y'all how to make candles from scratch. All we need to know is the basics. So first, I'm gonna add some water to my pot. I really forgot this pot was still on. You wanna add water to the pot, not too much though. And I'm using an old pot that I bought. It's a little cheap pot and the paint coming out, so you could just use a little old pot that you don't care about. So we're gonna put this on here. I got this nice little glass, and I actually bought this wine glass from Ross, and I was like, oh, this would be such a cute candle. So I got this, and I ordered this from Northwood Tools. I mean, Northwood Tools. My husband is a mechanic. That is so funny. I got this from Northwood Candles, and I actually got this off of Amazon, and I really love this. And the price is not gonna be just no $5, y'all, because this right here can be used multiple times. Like, you can, when your candle gone, you can wash this out. You can use it for storage, whatever you want to use it for. And I actually sold one without even making a candle. And then I have this little smaller thing right here. And as you can see, today I'm gonna be using soil wax. I have my own personal bag of wax, but I'm not gonna tell y'all my secret. All right, so while we wait for our water to boil at 185, let's get these candles decorated. So I'm just using these little sample things that they gave me. This is not what I'm gonna actually use on my candles that I'm actually selling. Yeah, so these are not the original labels. My brand is Michelle's Scent. Okay, y'all, so rule number one, let's not make that mistake. But you know, practice makes perfect. So if you make the same mistake as I made, that's okay. Keep on going.
I begin to
finally. So now we're gonna place this candle warmer thingy. We're gonna pour it. I'm not measuring. I don't measure when I bake cakes or none of that. All I know is I need enough wax for all 3 of these candles. And I'm doing color layers, so I'm just gonna pour as much as I can. And this might look like a lot of wax for a candle, y'all, but it's not. It's not a lot at all. All of that is done. I'm new to this coloring, so right now I got this much. I'm just gonna do my measurements by looking at what the other company already gave me. So I'm gonna see about how much they use for their coloring. So this is how much I should be using. A little bit like this thin, this long. So I'm gonna just break this in half. Oh, look at that. That is purple. That's purple get done. I'm gonna let it I'm gonna let the wax cool off before I pour it. Cause if you pour it into your container while it's too hot, it's gonna mess up the wick. I done did it already. So listen to me. Let that stuff cool off at 135. I'm gonna pour my scents in here when it's like at 135. That's when okay, so as y'all can see, I didn't like that little mess up that I made. I'm not really. The wax is at a good temperature now, so I'm gonna mix it well.
I begin to.
Okay, y'all, so this one is right and this one is not so right because I poured it too much. So y'all see it. This green is really dark. This is my minty lavender candle, and I'll show y'all this finished results tomorrow. You can tell me what that mouth do.